One day in mid-April, the Reed and Donner family and their workers set off to California.
Okay, let's go.
Papa, when will we be there?
I don't know. We're going to take a shortcut.
After long traveling, the Donner party realized that their shortcut really wasn't one at all. It was then 3 weeks longer than the customary route.
But Dad, I'm hungry.
I think we're almost there.
What do you mean you think, Dad?
Well, I'm not exactly sure where we are right now.
The Donner party discovered that the shortcut was really just a longer way to California. 3 weeks to be exact. Now the Donners were stuck in the mountains with nothing to survive.
What will we do for food? I don't know, there's nothing. 1 week later. I can't take this anymore. That was a tasty person.
We have to get help. You come with me to California.
Okay. Okay.
Jordan his worker off over the mountains, took off over the mountains while the others survived on each other. How much further?
I think it's right here.
As they arrived, the two got help and took them back to the mountains where everyone was stuck.
The end.